What is up, guys? It's another day. Update. So I got my downpipe. I actually found somebody that was selling it for way cheaper than, you know, online. I have to hold my phone today. I don't have my camera holder. But I found somebody that was selling it for cheaper. They were selling it for $150. So I had to drive a 45 minutes to get it. But, you know, it was well worth it. I mean, it's better than paying $250 for it online and waiting for it. You know, I hit up the guy. I was like, yo, I need it ASAP. And he said he had it with the O2 spacers. So I was like, awesome, I'll get it ASAP. He said we can meet halfway. We met in Portsmouth, I think that's what it's called. How do you say it? Nevertheless, I went and got it. I got the O2 sensor spacers right now, which is right here. And I have the downpipe in the backpack. I'll show it to you guys in a few. I'm on my way to my mechanic right now. Hopefully he has time right now. It's 4:38. Hopefully he has time to put in work right now. Put it and show you guys how beast this is gonna sound. The downpipe that I got is not a name brand downpipe. It's just a normal downpipe off brand, just no name. Like I said, you know, I'm not really trying to go above and beyond. All I need is, you know, the cheap good quality. This is stainless steel, so it's really good. I'm almost to my mechanic right now. Hopefully, you know, he decides, you know, he has time to do it. Get you guys updated when I'm there. Guys, so I just got to my mechanic. So this is the downpipe. So right now my car's on the left. And I'll show the comparison in a few. I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna tell him to rev it for a few, so you guys can hear the difference. Dale. Jesus Christ. The downpipe is installed and this sounds fucking crazy. I thought the straight pipe sounded crazy, yo. Yo, the turbo sounds loud. It's like people staring at me. That's how loud this shit is. Jeez. That's fucking crazy. Oh my god. It sounds like so... Like driving it normal, it sounds nice, but then when you put your foot on it, it sounds like fuck everything and everybody. Like I'm the fucking boss, yo. This shit sounds crazy. Yo, right now I have it in Tiptronic, so I can change it myself. I want to hear how the changes are gonna sound. Probably sounds like fucking gunshots and everything. to be loud, but it's like a lot. Jesus. I fucking love how this shit sounds, yo. Phew. If you have a TFSI engine, put a downpipe and straight pipe it. It is so satisfying. I don't know how it sounds yet, but when I edit this video, I'll hear it, but it sounds so good, yo. It sounds really fucking good. Yo, I wish I could have done this sooner, but at the same time, it's like, you know, shit takes time. It's just so nice. It's like I don't even have to accelerate it that hard so it can sound. I have a neutral right now. Over. Now all I want to do to this car now is bag it, draw, like, you know, air suspension. After that, I need to figure out. I'm planning on window wrapping this car, like doing a yellow wrapping all around the car. Not like the entire car, it's just like a camouflage yellow all around the car. Sounds great. Like, it doesn't take much to, one, be loud, and two, just make the craziest popping noise. Shit, sounds good. So far, I'm good with the car. Sounds fucking nasty. I know my parents are gonna hate it, but shit, they're not the one in it every other day, so. It gargles a lot. It gargles like a lot. Oh shit. It gargles a lot. That's one thing. The turbo, you can hear the turbo spin like crazy now. I might just upgrade to a 3-inch straight pipe, or maybe I'm gonna look for like an exhaust, because it gargles. It sounds good, but it sounds magnificent, but it gargles way too much. But other than that, it sounds fucking hectic. It's to the point where when you see the exhaust outside, when you rev it, you can kind of see it like spit, like want to spit. But you know, the car doesn't have a tune or anything yet, so it's not like I'm expecting it to, you know, spit fire right away. Like, all I was going for today was sound. This is what I got. I love it. I love how it sounds. It just sounds crazy. It sounds beautiful. It sounds good. Jesus, you hear that? It's just like. Sounds so good. From second.